Today, America, we are going to talk to one of the greatest reformers in the United States. Jane Addams, everybody, Jane Addams. Jane Addams, what vocation did you follow?
I was a settlement worker, and I founded Hull House, and I was also a leader in women's suffrage. I helped raise awareness for issues concerning mothers, children, and public health.
What is the extent of your education?
I attended college at Rockford Female Seminary, and I was valedictorian of my class. I received a bachelor's degree, and I later went on to medical school, but due to my father's death and my many illnesses, I was forced to drop.
What are your religious training?
Well, I was raised a Quaker, and in Chicago I joined a Presbyterian church, but I sometimes attended a Unitarian church service.
How would you define your relationship with your parents?
I loved my father, Jane Addams. He was a successful banker and landowner. My mother died when I was 2, so I don't really remember her. When my father died, I left medical school and I traveled over to Europe, which is where the idea of Hull House was born.
What would you say is the most defining moment in your life?
Well, in 1889, I co-founded Hull House with Ellen Starr, and it was one of the first settlement homes in America. Here, immigrants could gather to learn, to eat, and try to immerse themselves in America. We even had a nursery, a kindergarten, public kitchens, and a playground. I was also the first woman to receive the Nobel Peace Prize.
What would you say is your biggest contribution?
I was one of the most prominent reformers, not to mention a female reformer. I took a step towards change by helping immigrants in my Hull House.
Well, there you have it, America. Jane Addams, the greatest reformer in the United States of America.